Today, I'll give you secrets on how you can style those petite ladies. Today's code is all about you. Just in case no one tells you today, you are worth having around. You are worth committing to. You are worth appreciating. You are worth loving. You are worth reassuring. You are worth risking it all. You are worth everything. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back to another video. On this channel, we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty. We do a little bit of everything. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. So today we are going to be styling petite ladies. I know sometimes to style petite ladies is quite difficult because you don't know what outfit is going to fit them because obviously they are petite ladies, right? So today I'll be giving you secrets on how you can style these petite ladies effortlessly. And let's begin with the first one. The first one we have are tailored fits. You want to go in for tailored fits because trust me, tailored fits cannot go wrong. Tailor fit ensure you are not drowning in these pieces, so you always want to opt for tailor fit if you are styling a petite ladies. Tailor fit for bottoms and tops are just the ideal way or that best secret you always want to use while styling a petite ladies. And now let's move to the next one. The next one we have on our list are monochromatic looks. You always want to opt for monochromatic looks because with monochromatic looks, it helps elongate your legs, it helps elongate yourself, it makes you look taller a bit, right? So you always want to opt for monochromatic looks. Monochromatic looks might be almost same colors for both the top and the bottom. So you want to opt for outfit like this because it's going to make you look more taller and obviously it's going to elevate your look. Now let's move to the next one. The next one we have on our list are right length cloth. In styling a petite lady, you want to opt for the right length of these pieces, especially for the bottom. You want to opt for either a complete long pant or a short pant, any of them. Just make sure while choosing these bottoms, you are opting for the right leg. If it's a long pant, make sure it's really a long pant. And if it is a short pant, make sure it's a short pant. Because with this right leg pant, it's going to help bring out your shape more. So you want to always opt for right length of cloth when styling a petite lady. And now let's move to the next one. The next one are outerwear. Outerwear plays very important role in styling a petite lady. You cannot just go in for any kind of outerwear because trust me, you're going to go wrong. So you want to opt for right outerwear for petite ladies. Choose outerwear that matches perfectly well with their body shape and their body sizes, and this is just going to help you style that outfit effortlessly. Now let's move to the next one. The next secret I'll be giving you are high-waisted pants or high-waisted skirts. High-waisted pants can never go wrong. High-waisted pants fit every body shape and every body size. So you always want to opt for high-waisted pants, and also high-waisted pants help to elongate the legs and brings out your silhouette. So you always want to opt for high-waisted pants for petite ladies or a high-waisted skirt for petite ladies. This is going to elongate your body shape. High-waisted pants or skirt always give an illusion of longer legs, so you always want to opt for things like that for a petite ladies. And now let's move to the next one. The next one we have on our list are your footwear. Make sure in styling a petite lady, you want to go in for the right footwear. Each outfit will mean a different footwear. You can't style this outfit for this footwear. Sometimes it might not go. Although there are some outfits that can go for two kind of footwear. So you want to always identify what footwear best suits this outfit before you can style a petite lady. So make sure you put their footwear into consideration. Footwear plays vital role in styling a petite lady. So you want to opt for good footwear based on the occasion, as I will always say, based on the occasion and based on the kind of outfit they are putting on. You want to make sure you choose the right footwear for this outfit. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to like, comment and share this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.